Good morning, good morning. Yes, I am about to eat dinner for breakfast this morning. Yes, I am. Let me show y'all what I have first before I get this. I got homemade cornbread, I got green beans, and I have some chicken strips. Yes, I did. Got the house sauce, crystal. We're gonna get that drizzle. Drizzle. Yeah.
You already know.
Yeah.
I fell behind at the
Throw
club.
down,
They found out I was a cop and they used it as leverage. I just got lucky that Lieutenant Murphy you see tonight. You know, Lieutenant Murphy may trust you. I don't. And if we weren't so short-staffed, I'd transfer you. Today.
Good.
I deserve that.
Alright. Y'all. I'm cool.
If I can get back in.
I just be being lazy.
We're gonna try something. Okay. We're done here.
Hello, baby. Puppy, yo.
Jimmy Mack. You mean the legend in his own mind? He's the last of the great Collins. He's got those two big. You want? Don't worry, Mac. She takes dictation. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Notice. There she is. The woman of the hour.
Yeah.
No idea you were supposed to call.
Yeah. Green bean gone. Now it's time for the chicken strips and homemade cornbread.
Great chef.
Bet you gonna get 8,000.
2 Tuola, 2 T's, 2 U's, 1 O.
That shit hot.
Anybody want to be making today? So are you okay with us talking to him? Not really. Jimmy's the most talking reporter. He's working and looking for dirt. Look, I don't know what he's heard. So no. Jimmy is here at the request of 1PP. So
And I want to.
Yeah.
you know, there's some things you can put them behind.
Last thing on the plate.
They do change you.
Yeah.
Access.
Food gone.
Did they?
Follow me, guys. Thank you.
You won't even know what